In this video, I'll show you how to use trend lines in TradingView. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the trend line tool. If you click on the small arrow next to it, you can switch between different options such as trend line, info line, cross line, vertical line, and more. To place a trend line, simply select the tool and draw it anywhere on your chart. If you want to customize it, you can either open the settings menu or just double-click on the line. In the settings, you'll be able to change the style of the line, extend the line in either direction, adjust the price range, see percentage changes, pip changes, bar ranges, and date time ranges, modify the color and arrow style. If you ever want to remove the trend line, just click on it and select the delete icon. And that's it. That's how you add, customize, and delete trend lines in TradingView. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.